Hey guys, welcome back to the Lazy Tech Guys, and today we're going to bring you an app that can help you tremendously in your phone farm if used properly. Um, let's bring this app up. This phone can help you decide what applications to run on your phone. Now, it gives you the knowledge to know where to put your most resource hog apps at and where to put the least at. What I mean by that, this program called CPUZ will give you all the information you need to know about your phone that you cannot get just from the settings. Now, I guess when you buy a new phone, you get this information, at least what's printed on the box. Also, this application can come in very handy if you're buying a used phone from somebody and you want to verify the information they're telling you. This application will do that for you. Now, does this application in itself make you money? No. But this application can help you set up your farm in a way to make you the best amount of money by using the best application on the device that you have. So that's why we recommend that you use CPUZ just for that. Now, this is not a sponsored video, of course. This is just me telling you what we like and what we use. So let's give this application a quick rundown so you can look at it and see what you're getting, and we'll go from there. All right, so right up front, this phone tells you how many processing cores you have, what architecture, the revision, the processes, and the clock speed, what each clock is doing, whether it's running, what frequency it's running at, what kind of load it has, what the GPU vendor is, the GPU render, and what kind of load is on it. All good information. Now, the other thing, yesterday we did a video on FREP, and one of the things is knowing where your clicks are at, what screen resolution you have, something you can't get in your settings. This will give you the screen resolution and let you know what your screen resolution is. So a great piece of software. Again, it also gives you your total RAM, which you can't get out of your setup that I have ever found. It does give you inventory storage, which you can get, and your available storage, which you can get. But I like this. This tells you what kind of RAM you have and the total RAM that you have and how much you have free. So it gives you the screen size in inches as well. And then you can come over and look at your versions, your bootloader, your Java VM, whether it has root access or not. This will tell you very quickly. You don't have to download another application to verify whether you have root access. It tells you your battery health, what level it's at, what the power source is, status, the temperature. It also gives you, well, isn't that an interesting picture? We'll get right off of there. Gives you all the temperatures of all the sensors that you have in there. Kind of cool. Tells you some stuff about the sensors and what they're at. If you have sensors in there, your proximity, your accelerator sensor, your barometers, accelerator sensors, I believe is what that refers to. And then just the about. And I don't think there's anything up in here. Nope. You can pay for this app, of course. There's no point in it as far as I can tell. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you this quick app that may help you out in the future on buying phones, setting up your phone farm. And if this does help you out, make sure you make a comment. If you already use this application, make a comment below. Let us know. And if you want to see things like this in the future, make a comment and let us know. Anyway, guys, if this helped you, please smash that like button. And remember, the day's what you make it. So let's make it a good one.